the goal, one, is to know what information you need in order to provide or to construct a bid proposal or an estimate. So you need to know how long it's going to take you to actually do the job. So if you know how long it's going to take you to do the job and you know how much you charge an hour, that makes it really, really simple. Now, there are other ways that you can do it where you can just get the square footage, you can get the number of tons, and all the information from there, and then kind of come up with a calculation of how much it's going to cost. And at the same time, if you don't necessarily know how long it's going to take you to do the account or to complete the account, you can actually ask the client, hey, okay, so I understand you guys already have a cleaning company, so I assume that's why you're calling us.